The holidays are here, and who has an ever-growing to-do list? A list that you must check twice? I know, there's a lot to get done in the next few weeks. So today, I'm showing you a fabulous cocktail, both single serving and how to multiply it for a crowd, but it's also super festive, very holiday themed, and absolutely delicious. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get to the drink. Hello friends, I'm Erin, the founder and chief sommelier at The Wine Sisters. This is our YouTube channel, so welcome. Here is the place where every week we show you how to eat, drink, and entertain like a pro. If you are returning, it is so great to see your faces again. Welcome back. And if you have found this channel for the first time, welcome to you too. I hope you'll consider subscribing so you can keep up with us and all the fun that we have around here. And it is quite a lot of tasty fun, if I do say so myself. Well, today, guys, I've got a short and sweet one all about the holidays. You all know how much I love a welcome cocktail. And today I'm showing you a very festive holiday cocktail, the Sour Cherry Whisky Sour. It's absolutely excellent, and I'm going to show you how to make a single drink, but also if you check the show notes below, I've got the recipe for how to make a big batch cocktail in advance for a crowd. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some whiskey of your choice. Typically we like bourbon for this, but pick whatever your favorite is. You're going to need to have a little bit of sour cherry syrup. More on that in a second. And just a little bit of simple syrup. That's it. It's super streamlined, super easy, and really, who wants anything other than streamlined and easy during the holidays? That's what they say at your office party, right? One quick note before we begin. It's really important that you have the sour cherry syrup, not the maraschino cherry syrup. This is almost gone even, so I couldn't do it if I tried, but not the maraschino cherry syrup. This is intensely sweet, and if you use this by accident, you're gonna have to start incorporating some lemon juice or something else. You're gonna be going down a completely different track. Not impossible, but you don't wanna be using your maraschino cherry syrup. You want to be using your sour cherry syrup. I like to say this, just like you would when you're cooking, make sure you taste your ingredients. So if you were to taste the sour cherry syrup, it tastes like sour cherries. It's not got a lot of sweetness to it. So we're gonna be using this in place of the lemon juice, which would normally happen in a whiskey sour, okay? So this is what we're going to do. Into our shaker filled with ice, we're going to add in 2 ounces. I'm using a bourbon, you use the whiskey that you prefer. 2 ounces of bourbon, a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Simple syrup, very easy to make. It's just equal measures of white sugar and water dissolved over a low heat. And then I've got a full ounce of the acid, and in this case, we're using the sour cherry syrup. It's also going to give this a beautiful red hue, which is very festive for the holidays. All right, we're gonna give this a shake. Just until your hand freezes, just until you get that buildup of condensation on the outside of your shaker and you do start to feel it in your hand. That's gonna be what, 10 seconds or so? And we're gonna strain it. Now, normally classic whiskey sours, which are bourbon lemon juice and simple syrup, are served on the rocks in a rocks glass. However, I'm feeling festive, I'm feeling fancy, it's the holidays, and I love this gorgeous red hue that the cherry syrup loans. So I don't want to muss that up with any kind of ice or any kind of etched glass. I'm going to serve it in a coupe because I'm feeling just a little bit extra like that. So what I'm also going to do, just for a little bit of fun garnish, is I'm going to float a couple of these cherries right on top. Quite delicious, actually. I'm gonna float 2 more because I really want to. And how simple and streamlined is that, my friends? It gets done in a snap so you can get back to rocking around that Christmas tree. But look how beautiful this is. Bright red, super festive. We've got the warming whiskey and the bright note of that sour cherry. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a happy holiday after all with a couple of these under your belts. I like it a lot. So that, my friends, is the Sour Cherry Whisky Sour. I hope you like it too. Please let me know your thoughts in the notes below. If you have any questions about holiday entertaining or ideas for cocktails for your holiday parties, please leave them. I promise I will get back to you as soon as I hear about them. In the meantime, you might want to consider liking this video. That helps the almighty algorithm show us to all the people who haven't yet discovered us. And by the way, if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing that and maybe even hitting that bell so you can be alerted to when we drop a new video, which is every single week. And speaking of weeks, I've also included a link to our newsletter. That's below. It comes out every Tuesday and it's chock full of easy recipes for snacks, for dinners, for dinner parties, entertaining tips, wine pairing ideas, cocktails, you name it, it's in there. It's all there and designed to make you a better host. So I hope you'll consider signing up for our newsletter as well. And that takes care of another delicious drink here on the Wine Sisters YouTube channel. I hope I will see you next week. And until then, stay well, drink better.